I made this gorgeous Jovi cardi using a pattern from Shop Mod Threads, and I found the perfect yarn at Michael's. Loops and Threads brushed rainbow. It's so luxuriously soft. I started with the rainbow of colors for the granny square back, then worked the rest of the cardigan in an off-white shade to really make those colors pop. After finishing the granny square back, I worked up the two front panels, then the sleeves. To tie it all together, I added a colorful border using each shade from the granny square. I'm obsessed with the cuff sleeves, the oversized fit, and how cozy this cardigan feels. I seriously can't wait to make another one. The best part about this pattern, it's completely no sew and super easy to modify for your perfect fit. I'm so happy I can't keep that goofy smile off of my face. I'm already thinking about all the different colorways I can use with making more of these cardigans. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, follow, and share.